Hello, my name is Mustaqim Pathan. I am from Pune. I recently joined Avision 45 days job oriented program where I learn about CCNA, networking, and ITIL, Windows administration, and Windows Server, troubleshooting. This course is covered all these modules, and course is very helpful for fresher to get a job in IT sector. After my 45 days course, IBM provided me some placement calls, and I'm very thankful that I placed in good company, iSource Infosystem Private Limited, as a desktop support engineer. So I am very thankful for all Avision team for their guidance and support, and the teaching is very good. If non-technical background people are looking for a job in IT sector, they can go with Avision. In 45 days, they will cover all essential basics, and they will get a job in IT.